In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize your very own Notion dashboard. Whether you're using Notion to organize your personal projects or to streamline your work process, creating a dashboard that reflects your needs and preferences can make a world of difference. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to Notion. So, if you're already a user, simply log in with your account credentials. For those who are brand new to Notion, creating an account is a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few moments. Once you're in, look towards the side panel and click on the plus new page option. This is where your Notion journey begins, and it's the starting point for building out your personalized dashboard. Now that you have a blank page to work with, let's give it some identity by adding a title. Click on the title field and type something that best describes what your dashboard will be used for. For instance, if you're planning to use it for a general overview of your daily activities, something like My Dashboard works perfectly. It's simple, yet it gives your page a clear purpose. With the title in place, it's time to make your dashboard visually appealing by incorporating a cover image and an icon. Click on Add Cover, and Notion will automatically generate a cover for you. If you're looking for something more personalized, click Change Cover, which allows you to browse a vast selection of images available through Unsplash. Once you've selected an image that suits your vibe, it's time to add a little icon. Think of it as the cherry on top. Clicking Add Icon presents you with a plethora of emojis to choose from, so pick one that speaks to you. Next, organizing the content of your dashboard is key, and Notion provides a composed way to do that through sections. When you're ready to add these elements, look for the plus sign that appears when you hover over different parts of the page. This simple click can transform your dashboard with headings, dividers, columns, and even images, giving it structure and clarity. Finally, let's talk about the aesthetics of your text. If you want to switch up the font style, simply click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the page. From there, explore the different font style options available to you, like serif or mono. And if you're a fan of minimalist design, feel free to enable the small text option for a cleaner, more streamlined look. And there you have it. With these steps, you now have a beautifully customized Notion dashboard that's ready to serve your personal or professional needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing!